Leo, wake up. 5 more minutes. School starts soon. Oh no, I'm late. Leo, hurry up. Dry your face right now, we are running late.
Are you ready for your big day, Leo?
I'm all set, Mom. Shoes tied tight. Let's go. Done. Let's go. Race you to the gate, Mom. Oh, you're on. Leo, come here. Leo, your shoes. This is the worst day ever. Now we match. That was the funniest thing I have ever seen. I know, right? Hey, Leo! Do you want to play football? Sure. Pass it! I got it! Oh no! Our ball!